Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make a contact poster so when you're calling your friends and family, it'll give it that custom look. So first things first, make sure your iOS is updated to 17 or newer, 17.1.2 at the moment, so we can do the contact poster. So to get started, type in contacts or just go to your contacts app. All right, so to get started, we need to go into the contacts app. Click that. We need to go to My Card at the very top. And then from there, we're going to click on Contact Photo Poster. And then we're going to hit Edit. And then I already have one made, but we can create a new one. We're just going to go hit the plus sign. And now we have options. We have 4 options in our contact poster. We can take a picture of yourself or whatever you want. If you click photos, it's gonna show you selfies of yourself that you've taken throughout time there. Memojis, that's just the little animal heads. And then monogram, that's just gonna be your initials. So if you want one that's already a picture in your system, just take one, select it. You'll just slide until you find a background that you like. There's a few options here. Right? And then if you do like one, you can click the little color here, and some of them have different color options. Then you have the color spectrum, right? You can do whatever you want. So if you like that color, and then on your name, you can adjust the font there, thicker or skinnier. That's just with the slider, and you can kind of change your font styles too. So if you're satisfied with that, just X out of that. And once you're done, you like it, you just hit done. And that's what it's gonna look like. It's gonna ask you to continue. Now it's gonna have, this is gonna be the contact little circle when you text somebody or your contacts in their system. So you'll crop it, and you can try to slide it around and resize it if you like. Choose, and it'll give you some options for different filters. And just click continue. And that'll be your new contact. So when you call somebody now, it'll look like that. Maybe you don't want a picture of yourself, maybe you want an emoji. So you click here, you can do one that looks like you can do an animal, I like the robot. You have different faces for the robot. Let's pick this one. We'll hit next. And I don't think you can adjust it from there. It just stays right there. And then once again, we can change our fonts for our name. And then you can change the color if you like. Darkness, light. Go dark and light by sliding that. Call that good. If we want to change the background, we can do that. Remember, we can click the rainbow and we can do whatever we want. And if that's what you like, you hit done. Preview it, so that's what it's going to look like when you call people. It's going to ask you to create your contact. So we'll make that a little bit bigger. Choose. We don't need to mess with the filters, but you got plenty of options. Done. Continue. And that's what it'll look like when you call or text somebody now. All right, so there's one more option, that's monogram. So we'll just click right here. And it's gonna be your initials. Mine's J-O. If you, for some reason, wanna change your initials, you just hit that corner one and put whatever you want, right? We're gonna stick with J-O because that's who we are. And then from here, you just have options to change the background color. So if you like purple, you can adjust it from dark to light. Otherwise, hit that rainbow wheel and just pick something you like. And then adjust it to where you like it. And up here, once again, you can change your fonts and then thickness. Right. And that's what you like. You hit done. And that's what it'll look like when you call people. And then that'll be your contact little circle. So that's what it'll look like when you're calling somebody now with the monogram. Well, hopefully that helps you on making that contact poster with your new phone. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.